Welcome back to our channel. Coding feels just like taking small bits of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new question that is write a Java program to print array without built-in method. If you remember my previous programs, we were just discuss sort the array by using the built-in method. But here we have a twist. We don't have to use a built-in method. We have to use our own method, or we just used some implementation of method that is bubble short here. So let's implement this before wasting the time. Just here. First of all, we need a int of array. Just creating the array here. Type of array is a int. Name of array is arr is equal to. We just need some values over here, just like 20, 5, 12, whatever you want, you can take it here. 7, 3 over here. This is the values we need to sort in the ascending order. So for that, what we just need first one variables, which is a int and is equal to arr dot length. Means whatever the length of the array is coming inside of this n variables. After this, we just need a logic that is a bubble short logic here. We just need let me just comment out uh, bubble short logic here. Then we just need a for loop. This is the outer for loop, which is starting from the int I is equal to 0, starting from the index of 0, and its end with I should less than of n minus I, then I plus plus. Inside of this outer loop, we need a inner loop over here. We just need for int j starting from the index of 0, and j should less than of n minus I minus 1, then j plus plus. That means our our for loop is end with j should less than n minus I minus 1 over here. That means the last of the array is automatically last of the array is getting short in the every iterations. That is why this j is less than n minus I minus 1 over here. Then inside of this we need our logic here. The logic part is we just need to compare the one values with the another, like the as you can see here, the 20 and 25 here, they just have to compare these two values first. If it's not, you just what you have to do, we just shift to this 20 to the last. How? Let me first write the logic. If the ARR of J, ARR of J, so the starting of J is greater than ARR of J plus 1. Its next values over here. J plus 1 means the index of 2. That means index of 0 and index of 1 will be compared. If it's not greater than, then it will be going to shift to the next place. So how to shift it? For that, let me uh, okay. Oh, 1 second, guys. Two. Okay, okay. ARR of J is greater than of ARR of uh, J plus 1. Okay, now we got it here. After this, we just need to swap the variables if its logic is true. That means if this condition is true, what they need to do, they just have to swap it. For that, need our temporary variables like int temp is equal to ARR of J. So values which is present in J, it automatically comes to the temporary variables. Now the J becomes the 0. After this, what they have to do? This ARR of 0. That means the J is now 0. So that is why the ARR of J is equal to ARR of J plus. So ARR of J plus 1. The values, uh, the values which is present in J plus 1 will be, that means the values is here. The second value is 5 here, no? That comes to the first. That is why the ARR of J is 0 and ARR of J plus 1 is 5 here. So what they do here, the ARR of J is equal to ARR of J plus 1. That means the values of 20 is going to the place of 5, 1, and the values which is present in 1, it comes to the place of 0. Then again, we just shift to the values. ARR of J plus 1 is equal to 10. A plus 1 is equal to 10. The values which is present in temporary variables. That means the values is first is what you have are 20 is in the temporary variables. It comes inside of J plus 1. The values is shifted to the next to the uh, variables. So the our logic part is done here. After this logic, we just need to print our values. Let me take this out and print the so sorted array in ascending order. Then we just need a for each loop to print the values for each in num sorry in num colon ARR. The values which is present in ARR, it all the values is come to the num variables. Then here we just need a sys out println statement and just print the values plus concatenate with the string space over here and make sure it should be a print statement instead of println. Just run it and see what we will getting. As you can see here, we will getting the values. As you can see here, we will getting the values 3, 5, 7, 2, and 20. The value is compared by one and is going to the last. That is why the first values is compared like 20 and 5 is compared. If it's not, they just shift to the 20 to the second place, third, then fourth, then last. So every iteration it will check the values and it put to the last to the array. Let's suppose here we have a 20. The first they have to compare this values 20, and if it's not, it's just going to the last. Now the next time what we have n minus I minus 1. The the next values whatever we have in the first place, it will be compared. If it's not the values is true, they were just going to shift to the until the four places, then three places, then two places, then one places. This is the way of the you have to sort your element by using bubble sort. Run it and see we'll getting the 3, 5, 7, 7, 20 in the ascending order. That's all about in this video. Thank you for watching. Coding feels just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.